Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best desktop towers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. HP 8300 Elite Desktop Tower. The HP 8300 Elite Desktop Tower comes equipped with powerful memory and speed. This desktop computer has been upgraded and certified. Moreover, not only is this device a powerhouse of performance, but it is offered at a reasonable price point. It can be upgraded with extra memory and graphics card additions if you need to use it for purposes other than general entertainment, business, video calls, and home use. The built-in security will offer you safety and peace of mind, and the plethora of apps will provide entertainment and functionality. To guarantee outstanding quality, the tower comes with a 90-day return or replacement policy. Number 2. Dell Optiplex Desktop Tower. The Dell Optiplex Desktop Tower has been upgraded with powerful memory and speed for business and home tasks and general streaming and entertainment. Considering its upgraded specs and the promise of a replacement or refund within 90 days if not satisfied, this option is without a doubt a brilliant device at an incredible price point. The unit also comes with a USB keyboard, mouse, USB wireless Wi-Fi adapter, and a new power cable. The solid-state drive provides more storage and speed, which enhances the performance of your desktop tower. This computer is durable and reliable, making it a great addition to your home or office. Number 3. Acer Aspire Desktop Tower. The Acer Aspire Desktop Tower offers great speed and storage for business use, home administration, schoolwork, and entertainment. This tower features an HDMI port, allowing you to use it with a widescreen monitor or big-screen TV. The sleek design provides convenience, so you can easily find a spot for your new desktop. This device is also designed with connectivity in mind, as it comes enabled with wireless Wi-Fi 6. The Acer Care Center allows you to make sure your new desktop is in good health by providing checks and updates. In terms of sound quality and performance, this desktop tower is at the top of the list. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaCenter 3 Desktop Tower. The Lenovo IdeaCenter 3 Desktop Tower is a compact and affordable desktop computer that is perfect for everyday computing needs. It is powered by an AMD Athlon Silver 3050U mobile processor and 4 GB of DDR4 memory, which provides enough power for basic tasks such as web browsing, email, word processing, and light gaming. It also has a 256 GB solid-state drive, SSD, which provides fast boot times and application loading speeds. The IdeaCenter 3 Desktop Tower has a sleek silver chassis that measures just 7 liters in volume, making it a great choice for small spaces. It also has a variety of ports, including 6 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.1 ports, HDMI, RJ45, Ethernet, a 7-in-1 card reader, and audio jacks. It also has a Bluetooth 4.0 combo with a Wi-Fi card for wireless connectivity. Number 5. CyberPowerPowerPs Desktop Tower. The CyberPowerPowerPs Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC is a pre-built gaming PC that is designed to be affordable and VR-ready. It features a 10th generation Intel Core i5 Eminus 10400 Farad processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super Graphics card, 8 GB of DDR4 memory, and a 500 GB NVMe SSD. The PC also comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed. In terms of performance, the CyberPowerPowerPs Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC can handle most modern games in high settings. It is also able to run VR games without any problems. However, it is important to note that the PC only comes with 8 GB of memory, which may be limiting for some users. If you plan on doing any multitasking or playing demanding games, you may want to upgrade the memory to 16 GB. Overall, the CyberPowerPowerPs Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC is a great value for the money. It is a good option for gamers who are looking for an affordable VR-ready gaming PC. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.